نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 42. In the previous lesson we talked about Jam'a. Same, we'll talk about Jam'a. In this chapter or lesson we will be learning two Jam'a Qilla and Jam'ul Qasra. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 42. In this lesson we will be learning Jam'u Qilla and Jam'u Qasra. So Jam'u Qilla, it is the plural which tells you about from 3 to 10. So Jam'a is from 2 and more. So Jam'a Qilla is from 3 to 10, not more than 10. And it has its own awzan, own wazans. For example, and these are the awzans: af'ulun, afa'ulun, af'ilatun, fi'latun. So these are the awzans. So these are awzans. If you remember these awzans, then these are the wazan of Jam'u Qilla. For example, nafsun, nafs is one, self. Anfusun. So this word is Jam'u Qilla. This is from 3 to 10, not more than 10. Nafs, anfus. Maybe sometimes used, but most of the times it is anfus, Jam'u Qilla, 3 to 10. So qawl, which is a statement, is aqwal, Jam'u Qilla. Aqwal, this is the wazan. If you don't remember this wazan, remember these wazans. So aqwal, and ta'am, which is food, at'imatun, and this is Jam'u Qilla. And also ghulam is a boy, and ghilmatun is Jam'u Qilla. 3 to 10 boys, or could be servant. So these are Jam'u Qilla. Remember, whenever you see on this any Jam'a on this wazan, try to understand this is from 3 to 10, and the ta'adad or the amounts are from 3 to 10. Here it's saying that if any sound plural, which is salim, we studied in the previous lesson, the Jam'a salim, which is the original, does not break. It says if it is without alif lam. If there's no alif lam, then it's also Jam'u Qilla. For example, aakilatun, there's no alif lam, so aakilatun is Jam'u Qilla from 3 to 10, and which is intelligent females. And aakiluna for males, so aakiluna is without alif lam, so it's also used for, it will be also for Jam'u Qilla. Make sure whenever we see these words without alif lam, we should understand that it is Jam'u Qilla, 3 to 10. We can't say these are too many people. So aqiluna mean intelligent males or intelligent people, male, from 3 to 10, because it doesn't have alif lam. So that was Jam'u Qilla. And now we will study one more Jam'u Qasra, which there is no limit to it, but it is from 3 and upwards. Jam'u Qasra, it has its own wazan. So the awzans are, these are the name of the awzans: fi'alun, fu'ala'u, af'ila'u, fu'ulun, fu'ulun, fu'alun. So these are the names of the awzans. If you don't remember this, okay, because we are not going deep into grammar, but we are, so we understand the Quran and Hadith in Arabic. So if you remember these, so that will be also fine. For example, abdun or abd is a slave, you know. Ibad is jama kathara, is more than 3, but it's not up to 10. Ibad is beyond 10. Alim is a person who is knowledgeable. So ulama, so it is jama kathara, more than, could be, it's more than 10, from 3 onward. So nabiyun, anbiya, rasulun, rusulun, najmun, najumun, khadimun, khudamun. Min najmun, a star, as you know. Khadimun, which is a servant. Khudam. Marid is one patient. Marada. Talibun, talabatun. So this is a student, but this is more than 10 students. It's from 3 and upward. So firqa, which is a group or sect. So fariqa or fariqun. So this is jama kathara. Ghulam, which is a boy. Ghilman is the wazn is ghilman, which is jama kathara. And remember, jama kathara is 3 and upwards, and jama qilla is from 3 to 10. So remember these awzans, all these awzan. Remember these awzans. You can put, if any word comes on this wazn, ibadun, remember, or ulama, or anbiya, or rusulun, nujumun, khudamun, marada, talabatun, firaqun, ghilmanun. If it comes on this wazn, so remember it is a jama kathara. It's more than 3 and beyond 10. So, but if it comes on the on these awzans, anfusun, aqwalun, at'imatun, ghilmatun, so it is jama qilla. So ghilman and ghilmat is different. So that is qilla and that's kathra. And also we stated that if the jama salim comes without alif lam, it will be jama qilla. And one thing more, that if, which is sound plural, jama salim comes with alif lam, it becomes jama kathra. Al-muslimatu is jama al-muslimuna. That's jama kathra. So al-muslimuna comes with alif lam, it is more than 3 and beyond 10. So al-muslimuna. If it comes without alif lam, then it is qilla. So inshallah we'll study more in the next lesson, more jama inshallah. So try to understand them, try to study them. Inshallah, once you get them, then inshallah it will be easy to translate it, and also to understand what are the amount of people or things talked about. Sajib, Arabic, especially the Arabic of Quran, is such a language that tells you everything, you know, like physical emotions, gestures, and feelings. Even by the text you would understand, you know, how, you know, the expression, how it was expressed, you know, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, and what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is and what was the situation when the person spoke, you know, what was his feelings. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the true understanding, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us to understand. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us time to study. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make this the means of hidayah for us and all. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun, wa salamun ala al-mursaleen, walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.